Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Parliamentary diplomacy led by Sardar Ayaz Sadiq, Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan, Belarus. On 20 August 2024, Sardar Ayaz Sadiq and the parliamentary delegation who are currently visiting Belarus from 19 to 22 August held separate delegation level talks with His Excellency Mr. Igor Sergey Noko, Chairman of the House of Representatives, of His Excellency Mrs. Natalia Kochenova, chairperson of the Council of the Republic. Both sides discussed various initiatives to further strengthen bilateral ties across different spheres. The Honorable Speaker also officially inaugurated a photographic exhibition titled Pakistan at a Glance, organized by the Embassy of Pakistan in Minsk. The ceremony was attended by over 100 distinguished Belarusian dignitaries, ambassadors, civil society members, and media representatives. The exhibition showcased a vivid portrayal of Pakistan's rich cultural heritage, architectural and religious diversity, and stunning landscapes, including the majestic Karakoram and Himalayan ranges in the north, the lush green hills and valleys of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Kashmir, and the deserts, mud hills, and pristine branches of Balochistan and Sindh. On August 21st, 2024, the parliamentary delegation laid a floral wreath at the Victory Monument in Minsk, paying homage to the victims of the Second World War. Subsequently, the delegation visited Minsk Tractor Works, which manufactures the Belarus tractor, and discussed opportunities for further collaboration. The delegation led by the Honorable Speaker also held talks with the Belarusian Minister of Agriculture, exploring ways to expand relations in areas such as yield enhancement, exchange of best practices in agriculture, and innovation and research in critical areas. The delegation also had an opportunity to take a short tram ride in Minsk, decorated with famous Pakistani truck art. The parliamentary delegation visiting Belarus at the invitation of the chairman of Belarus House of Representatives will return to Pakistan on August 23, 2024. This marked the first ever parliamentary visit to the Republic of Belarus.